The bikes are in. This is the EMB 100. I'm gonna give it a first ride and see how it feels. Well, we got them off the crates. We got them all together. This is the EMB 100. I'm gonna take it on a test drive. Let's go. Well, first things first, we take this bad boy over to my favorite coffee shop to see our friend Jude, who's helped us with the bikes, helped us unload, helped us order these things. Wanted him to see it on its maiden voyage, so I took it over there. By the way, Outpost Coffee, best coffee in Oklahoma, in my opinion. Jude approves, but he has to get back to work. So I'm gonna take this bad boy out. Check, see everything's cool. The one cool feature of this, and you know, the GoPro didn't do it justice, but you can hook it up Bluetooth to your phone so that you can listen to music. It sounded good in town. As soon as you get going, you know, past the 60-mile-an-hour point, you're not going to hear that music much anymore because of the wind noise. But in town, it sounds really cool. It gives you a nice little cruising music to listen to, and I highly enjoyed it. Did my typical loop around Bartlesville. Little tester to see. We've got some 45s, 55s, and you can get up to 65 out around Circle Mountain. So I chose to go around first to the 45s and 55s just to get the bike a little bit of a maiden feel. Make sure everything, all the brakes were working good. Make sure that I could see everything in the mirrors. Another awesome feature to these bikes is that they have the sport mode and park. So you can, if you're in a sitting position, you can put it to park so it won't gun off on you. And then when you're off to the races, once you're out of downtown or, you know, not cruising downtown, you can hit the sport mode. And you can feel the difference in that speed for sure. Gets up to 65, no problem. Stays with the cars, no problem. Rides real smooth. This is the smaller bike, so it's a little bit more nimble. I felt it like way easy control, easy to turn, especially if I was going to get up on a sidewalk or something like that to park it. Really easy to do that. The bigger bikes are still easy to maneuver, but I don't know if they're that easy to maneuver. But this ride, you know, finally a nice day. It had been raining since Monday. This is Thursday. Finally had a nice day. A little overcast, but just perfect weather. I had an idea to pass this truck, and I could have if I wanted to, but I just let's take it easy, just enjoy the ride. I am one of those chill riders. I'm not looking to, you know, do stunts or try to get to 100 miles an hour in town. I just like to cruise around and enjoy the ride. These bikes are perfect for that. Powerful, like it rides again like a real powerful scooter. Downtown, not a problem. Could hear the music. Of course, we've always got a little bit of construction. The shocks worked perfectly. I love going into this park. It's beautiful right now. It is so lush and green. Looks like the rainforest for Oklahoma. We've had the craziest wet year, so things are just popping right now. But I love going back into this park. Beautiful back here. And again, I will say this again, and you know, this is either you love it or you hate it. I love it. People are playing at the park, and I am not disrupting them one bit driving around with my electric bike. It's they could hear the music that was playing off of it. Other than that, I'm not making that annoying pipe sound in a park while people are trying to relax and enjoy their walk. But I can still go and have a good time and kind of, you know, go pretty quick through there and bug no one. That's a feature I love. Love this upper look. You know, we got the miles per hour now. Everything's rolling, heading into downtown. Beautiful day for a ride. I decided to take it out a little bit farther to a place where you can get up 65, 70, just outside through Johnstone. It's called Circle Mountain. So I was heading out that way. Love the back roads there. Bumpy tracks, but good shocks. All is well. So I head out that way and I get it up to 70, and it did just fine. It probably had more in it, but I will say these light bikes, when you get them into 70, it feels floaty. You feel like you're flying. So it's one of those things where 65, 70 is plenty for me. If you want to go faster, they go faster, and we have some bikes that go up into the hundreds. I'm one of those guys that just likes to chill and ride and just enjoy the view. So this is the main voyage of the EMB 100. Not charged, just off the crate, and for a ride did an hour and a half. Total blast. If you have any questions, reach out to us at boommoto.com. Thank you so much. Have a great day.